Hey guys, it's Bitty Baby Lady, and today I am going to show you my updated packing list. I am fully packed right now. When I made the packing video Saturday, I packed a little bit, but I wasn't going to pack fully that day. So now I am fully packed, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. As you can tell, I am using a different suitcase than I showed in the packing video. I showed the green one, but when I put in my clothes and outfits, it wasn't going to zip up. So I upgraded to this suitcase that I have now. I did buy the packing cubes at Walmart. They were about $10 for 3. This one is the smallest, and this one is the largest. This one is like medium. So I was able to fit undergarments in here, my outfits in here because it has 2 compartments. And then I was able to fit my swimsuit and my pullover that I put over my swimsuit. And this is for the surprise that I was talking about in the last video. I'm bringing a doll with me to the beach, and I just decided that. So I'm going to show you the doll that I am bringing at the end of this video. This is basically her outfits. This is her outfits that she is going to wear like out to eat, and this is like swimsuit, apron, other outfits. In this compartment, I have this bag that I'm putting my personal hygiene and dental hygiene, and I also have hats, my hair wrap for my wet hair, and I have this facial clay mask, and I have lotion, and I also have my telly tie scrunchies and headbands for all of my outfits. So this is basically kind of like things for my hair and for my outfits, basically, add-ons. In this compartment, I basically have my doll's add-ons, this headband, shoes, flip-flops, and this badminton that goes with one of her outfits, her hairbrush, and her hair clip. She also has her own stuff that is going to be with her in the car, so this is just some of the stuff that is for her. And this is basically all that I'm packing in this suitcase. Since there is extra room, like I said, I didn't think I was going to be using all of the space. So we are going to put maybe some towels or something else that we are going to be bringing that no one else really has room for. So this is all that I am packing in my suitcase. This is the backpack that I'm bringing. It is Vera Bradley. And I have hand sanitizer that is French lavender. And this donut squishy keychain. And I have this butterfly flip sequin keychain. So I'm going to show you this compartment first. So this compartment has crossword puzzle. I am really loving crossword puzzles right now. And I also have this book called The Hope Jar. Is part of the Prayer Jar series. It's the first book. It's basically about a girl who lives on a farm for a little while, and she finds a jar, like the mason jar on the picture, and it's full of prayers, and she's basically trying to figure out who wrote the prayers. I also have my journal, my planner, my gel pens, and a crochet project that I'm going to be working on. Because I do need to get that done soon, so I thought, why not bring it on vacation? So now I'm going to show you the second compartment, which would be this one. This one has a squishy, a deck of cards. I did show a card game in the last video, and I also love to do card tricks in the car. And I also have this that you spin on the table. I'll show you a demonstration right now. I can't really spin it hard, like I'm trying to show you guys, but it's like not. There we go. That's basically what you use it for, just to spin it. I think you can fold up the corners like this and spin it. I don't know. I'm just trying my best to show you guys because I can't make it spin long enough to show you guys. And I also have this spinner that I'm going to show you a demonstration of. You basically spin it on the table, kind of like this one. This one spins like this, but it can also spin with like light, but you have to spin it really fast like that. And it basically has some light in it that it will show. But they also have ones that don't have light, which are basically the regular ones. And I also have this squishy. This one is more like, slow rising, and this one is one of those other squishies. And I usually wash these kind of squishies just because they get dirty, as you guys might know, so I might have to start washing this one. I have this glow-in-the-dark silly putty, but it does have some kinetic sand in it from me playing with kinetic sand. And I'm also going to be bringing that too. So I have this silly putty. Here's the kinetic sand that I have. It is pink. And I'm going to show you it now. This is what it looks like. And I do love this sand very much. I haven't necessarily played it in a long time, but I do like it still. I also have this putty, which is basically the original putty. And then I have one more item, and that is earbuds. Like I said in my last video about the earbud hack, I just feel like this is important to bring sometimes if you're going to listen to YouTube or something like that. So I'm definitely bringing earbuds. But I actually have two more items. More putty and this cloud dough that I made earlier, and I will make a video tutorial about it because it's very simple to make. So now I'm going to show you this last compartment right here. The only thing that I have in here is the matching wallet that goes with the backpack. So I am going to probably be putting like a water bottle in one of these sides. But other than that, this is all that I am bringing in the backpack. This is the other purse that I am bringing for when I go out to eat and things like that. So this is also Vera Bradley. And I have this cupcake squishy, poolside pop hand sanitizer, and this hand sanitizer bag. And I do really like this one. This one's probably one of my favorites. Then I also have this chapstick holder keychain. So the only thing that I have in this compartment is basically my purse checklist that I'm going to make another video about that basically goes more in depth with the checklist that I have made. Now I'm just going to show you this compartment. So basically in this compartment I have my makeup bag, which has lip gloss, chapstick, wax, things like that. And then I also have this eyeshadow palette, and it's from Maybelline New York. And I basically just wanted something like another eyeshadow palette that I could just put in my purse to bring to the beach because I didn't want to bring my other eyeshadow palette. And I am really liking neutral colors, so I thought this one was a good palette. And this zipper right here, I'm basically going to show you when I have unzipped it because it's hard to zip on camera. I have this wallet, and it is different than the one that I showed you in the backpack. I'm basically bringing some money to use to, buy some stuff at the beach, because I have bought some stuff before that I really love, and I just really love shopping. So now I'm going to show you this compartment. In this compartment I have a toilet seat cover, tissues, wipes, and the Smingerling Mini. Now these items are basically sort of like essentials, just for everywhere you go, washing your hands before you eat, and just things like that. So this is where I put those type of things, since it has these little pockets, like holders, that you can put those stuff in. So this is basically all that I am bringing in my purse. This is all. So now I'm going to show you the final thing that I am bringing. This is the beach tote, and it is fully packed. So I have the sunglasses in here, and I have this unicorn case, and I do have a tissue inside of here. So I'm going to show you what the sunglasses look like. I really like the style, and I've had these for maybe like a year or two now. You can kind of see my reflection. You can kind of see my hair, but not my face. So these are the sunglasses that I am bringing, and I'm only bringing one pair. And I am putting the sunglasses in here, and this is the only thing in here. So, moving on, I have this in here. And this is basically for the doll that I am bringing. This is one of the sets that she came with, and I have a sand castle, a pail, and some like molds for sand, and this has like sodas in it. This has sodas. I'm basically gonna pull this out so you can actually see this better. And I also have her sunglasses in here, shovels, and all of this, seashells, all of that basically. I also have some yarn for the project that I was talking about because it wasn't going to fit in my backpack. So I put it in here for the moment being. And then I also have this towel. I usually use this towel. I really love it. I loved Minions so much when I was around the age of 5, and I still do, but not as much. And I'm also bringing this lunch box for snacks. I have been wanting to, bring some snacks to the beach and to the pool, so I thought I would use this lunchbox that I saw downstairs. And I'm basically going to put this in here too, but it's not necessarily going to fit at the moment. But when I take out the yarn and all that, it will fit. I promise. I didn't put my goggles in here because I am putting them with everyone else in my family. So this is basically all that I packed. This is everything. And now I'm going to show you the actual packing list that I made. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell to get notified every time I post. And don't forget to like this video. Now, for the surprise. This is the doll Katie that I am bringing. Her hair kind of looks like a mess right now, but I promise it will not look like this in the beach video that I'm making. So this is the doll that I'm bringing, and I thought of bringing her the day before, which would be Monday. Today's Tuesday, so I decided yesterday, so I packed her stuff and everything. So this is the doll that I'm bringing. I don't think I've ever really showed her on camera. But I got her for a birthday in like 2nd or 3rd grade. And of course I was in love with the name Katie. But her name kind of turned into Carly, so Katie Carly, Carly Katie, somewhere in there. But this is the doll that I am bringing. So this is a surprise. And I am going to be making like a little vlog of my beach trip, and it will be edited, of course. I'm going to try to combine it all into one video, or maybe separate videos that I will have to upload every Wednesday and Saturday. But other than that, that's all for this video. See you guys next Saturday. Let's try to get to 30 subscribers. I'm trying to make some goals, so let's try to get to 30 subscribers. If you want to make that happen, just hit the subscribe button, and I will have some type of video or surprise, some type of reward for you guys. See you guys next Saturday.